one of the ways we measure solutions in chemistry, and we have a lot of solutions in chemistry, we use something called molarity. Molarity is just a way to measure concentration. We can do percent by mass, we can do percent by volume, we can do mole fractions. In this case, molarity has the equation of moles of the solute divided by liters of total solution. So that's going to be part over whole, and the parts in moles and the whole thing's in volume in liters. And that is what molarity is. We use stoichiometry. I initially teach it as going through the 4 boxes. And if you're starting here, we typically have grams or liters of gas or number of particles, and that we call A, whatever A is given. And then we go to maybe the third box, which is moles, or maybe the fourth one, which is also grams, liters of gas, number of particles of B. B is the question. So, well, that's a different section with stoichiometry. But bottom line is we often want to figure out moles we have sitting there in our beaker. So if we have molarity given and we have moles per liter, and we know the volume, well, if we want to get the moles, we just isolate for moles. It's on top, so liters goes up and over. So you'll end up with liters times molarity equals to moles. And now we have the moles of the reactant, or maybe the product, but that's what we're looking for. On the other hand, sometimes we may be wanting to calculate the moles and then do something with it. So this is going to drop out as moles. And then maybe if we have the concentration, we might need to know the volume. So moles per liter equals to molarity. If we know the molarity and we know the moles and one of the liters will go up and over, and the molarity goes over and down. So we have liters times mole divided by molarity. And of course, if you're looking for the volume in this case, the molarity in this case, then you can isolate for that as well, just using some basic algebra. Now, the deal is though, when we have molarity equals to moles over liters, we don't really have a mole machine. We have a gram machine. We have a scale or electronic balance. So we got to be able to go from grams to moles using just a mole conversion. And a liter is a large volume. We often don't have a liter. We often have milliliters. So you got to be able to convert. So you have to have moles and liters, but you're probably given grams and milliliters. So convert the grams to moles, the milliliters to liters, divide it out, and you're done. And that is how we use molarity.